So this nityam bhav, then nityam haro vidato, then what's the result? If always we're showing a loving mood towards Krishna, a conjugal mood towards Radha and Krishna, or a sevadasi mood, nityam, day and night, month by month, then tanmayatam, yanti tanmayatam, hite. Indeed, certainly, yanti tanmayatam. He'll attain eternal absorption in his beloved Ishta Dev, or Devi, Devata, Radharani. Always hearing, always chanting, always remembering, always praying for seva and meditating on sevas. Then, tanmayatam. Sri Jiva Goswami says, tanmayatam means this. He says that persons with positive emotions towards Krishna, friendship, intimacy, love, sneham, soridam, they ultimately achieve much more than those who possess negative ones. And then he says, the negative emotions generally bring one the tanmayatam, yanti tanmayatam, for the negative emotions of anger and fear and envy and hatred. They bring a destination, something usually like sayuja mukti. Or, in other words, Krishna keeps them a little bit at a distance. Someone that's favorable to you but not too favorable, you keep as your chokidar. Someone who's very favorable and very kind, you give him a room in your house. And someone who's really surrendered and really dedicated, you marry them. And you give them a room in your bed. So that's a very intimate acceptance. So those demons, he keeps them at bay. All right, you have some connection with me, and you're always thinking of me, so I must reward you. Ye tamam prapadyante tam sataiva bhajamyam manavartante manasya partasarvasya. You are surrendered to me in hatred.